Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can check if a link is do follow or no follow. Let's get started. First, let's quickly see what is a do follow link and what is a no follow link. A do follow link is simply a link that passes the link juice, and no follow link is a link that doesn't pass link juice. In simple words, a do follow link helps you rank higher in Google and other search engines, and a no follow link doesn't help you rank higher. And here's the HTML code of a do follow and no follow link. This is the HTML code of a no follow link. You can see rel is equal to no follow, and this is the HTML code for a do follow link. By default, every link is a do follow link, but when we add rel is equal to no follow, then it becomes no follow link. So to check if a link is no follow or do follow, you have to check this. If you see rel is equal to no follow in a link, then that would be no follow link. For a do follow link, you won't see rel is equal to do follow. As I told you, every link by default is a do follow link, but when we add rel is equal to no follow, then it becomes a no follow link. Now let's see how you can check if a link is a do follow link or a no follow link. First, let's see whether the links on Facebook are no follow or do follow. So here is a page, and you can see this link. To check, simply right click near the link and click on inspect. Then click on this button that says select an element in the page. Click on it, and now click on the link which you want to check. Click it. Now from the right hand side, slide it to the right, and you can see the link here. Let's check again. So you can see the link is here. So slide to the right. Let me click again. So a little above you can see the link is here, and you can see rel is equal to no follow. So this means that this link is a no follow link. Let's close it. Let's scroll down. Let's say I want to check if this link is a no follow or do follow link. Let's click this link, and you can see the link is Mark Cuban 60s are the new. So let's go back. Again, same process. Right click, select inspect, select this one, and hover your mouse over here, click it and slide to the right. For the posts, you have to scroll a little above. So here is the link. You can see Mark Cuban 60s, and again you can see rel is equal to no follow. So this means that this link is also a no follow link. Now let's see another example. Let's say you want to check. So this is an internal link, and this is an external link to the Wikipedia. Let's check if it's do follow or no follow. Again, right click, click inspect, select it and click the link. So you can see we don't have rel is equal to no follow. We have rel is equal to no opener, no referrer, but this doesn't mean it's a no follow link. Since we don't have rel is equal to no follow, so this means that this link is a do follow link. Now let's scroll down and go to the comments. Let's see, okay, this link goes to this website. Again, click here and click it. You can see rel is equal to no follow. So this means that this link is a no follow link. Now let's see another example. Let's say I want to check if this pin is a no follow or do follow link. Again, right click, inspect, select the link, scroll to the right, and you can see rel is equal to no follow. As I'm moving my cursor near this link, you can see it's being highlighted here. So this is again a no follow link. And now let's see if the links in the YouTube video descriptions are no follow or follow. Scroll down, again the same process, right click, click on inspect, select and select the link. So you can see rel is equal to no follow. So this link is a no follow link. So this is how you can check whether a link is a no follow link or a do follow link. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.